Hey, yo, what's up? You know I get down every day. I'm straight up G. And there's nobody harder than Ice-T. But for your birthday, I'm gonna show you a side of me that nobody ever sees. Come on. We're taking it from Ice-T to Nice-T. All for your big day, Christina.
Hello world is a song that we're singing. Come on, get happy. Traveling along, there's a song that we're singing. Come on, get happy.
You want nice, you gotta go Ice.
A whole lot of love is what we'll be bringing. We'll make you happy. Something always happens whenever we're together. We get a happy feeling when we're singing.
All right, that should do it.
That is what we'll be bringing. We'll make you happy. We'll make you happy. We'll make you happy.
All right, let's go, dog.
Hello, Tina! Happy birthday sa'yo! Wow, siguro, ano ka na? 48 years old.
What?
Happy birthday again. Hope you have a blast. Thank you.
Babatiin ko lang ang aking idol. Nag-celebrate siya ng birthday ngayon, si Madam Christina. Madam, happy birthday. Sana marami pang birthday na dumating sa buhay na. Stay healthy, pretty, and sexy.
Wow.
Madam, mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Ingat ka dyan palagi. God bless. Marlon, no? Batiin mo si Madam Christina.
Ano meron?
Birthday niya.
Happy birthday, madam. And ingat lagi. God bless.
Tina.
Happy birthday, Ten!
Happy birthday, Ten.
Happy birthday, Christina!
Ay, Gigi, happy birthday. Proud na proud sa'yo, tatay mo. Happy birthday, God bless.
Happy birthday! Thank you for everything. Alam mo, isa ka sa mga natutuwa ko at lagi kita tatandaan kasi lagi mo kaming tinatawag. So thank you for always supporting us and I love you, God bless.
I would like to greet you a very happy birthday. I am forever grateful. Enjoy this day with your family and loved ones, and may you live for 1,000 years. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! I wish you love, good health, and happiness.
I would like to extend a very grateful and very joyful happy birthday. I cannot do this greeting without mentioning all the help and assistance and guidance that you have provided in all of the things that we have been doing. And there are many things that I cannot imagine we would have been able to do if not for your advice and your guidance in many of these very important issues. So thank you very much for that. And I'll just add a very, very happy birthday.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Teen! Happy birthday, Omega! Praying na you will get the result na sa family mo para magsama na kayo dito sa Finland, and praying then na God will answer the desire of your heart. And of course, thank God for your life, for another life this year, diba? So, continue to grow spiritually and of course, praying for your good health all the time. And enjoy your day. And of course, malamig man kayo na siya. Oh, malamig siya kayo katinay. Anyway, salamat sa lahat for being a good friend. Like, very makulit and very sweet friend. Oh, di ba? Ang ganda talaga. So, yun lang. Happy birthday once again. Kitos, Palion. Oh, ako ba nagkitos? Bye-bye.
Hi, Teen! Happy birthday! Sorry kayo, di ko ha. Ako adyo gi-search, Teen. Walay bus diri. Sorry, pasensya jud. Ning promise na ba ko nimo sa una. Oh, that's sa una. More man ugarang dugaya sa una. Anyway, happy birthday! Kalain mo, mag-friend pa rin tayo. Sa Pinas pa ta nagsigig chat karon, nagkita na ta, nagstorya na taon niya. Nahimutang close friend. Ako ang masulti sa message sa imo ha is be happy, especially sa imong birthday, even though kay baw ko nga, dili kompleto kay nakay di paabot. Pero sige lang, mag-wait lang ta sa God's perfect timing. Happy birthday, Tin. Thank you sa friendship. Thank you kay isa ka sa ako ang genuine friend. Like, ma-feel yun ako nga, kanang, I have you. Masaan ako pag-explain? Basta, thank you. Thank you sa tanan. And, pag-continue sa imuhang pagkamaayong tao. Always remember nga, blessing ka sa kung kinsa man ang ma-friendly mo, blessing ka sa mua, blessing ka sa ato ang school, sa friendship, sa imong family. Daghang kaya kung gusto isultin mo, pero sige lang, sa personal, inagita na to. Bye! Happy birthday, Tin!
Hello, Tin! Surprise! Happy birthday, Tin! Wish you more good health, more blessings to come, and long life. At sana ibigay na ni Lord yung prayer mo na makapunta na dito yung family mo para makasama mo na sila. Thank you, Tin, for being my friend. Siyempre, mas lalong naging deeper yung nandito na tayo sa tubig. Ikaw yung kachismisan ko everyday. Alam mo yan, Tin. Enjoy your day, happy birthday, and God bless you and your family.
Mami, may surprise po kami sa'yo. Palagi po. I love you. Bye-bye. Nya, nya, nya.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Hi, bebe. Happy birthday. Thank you for being my best friend since college. And I'm so thankful sa friendship natin at sa lahat ng memories na nabuo natin. Alam mo na yun. And gusto ko lang malaman mo na I'm so proud of you sa lahat ng pinagdaanan mo at na-achieve mo. And gusto ko lang din malaman mo na nandito ako palagi para sa'yo. Kita mo naman, nandito tayo dalawa sa Finland. And I wish you happiness, good health, and matupad mo lahat ng dreams mo and goals mo sa buhay. Kasi sobrang deserve mo yun. And enjoy your day. See you, Puhon. I love you.
Aww. Hello, Tin! Happy birthday! Ingat ka dyan palagi. God bless!
Hi, Tin! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Bes! Ingat ka palagi dyan. Miss you!
Aliyah, say happy birthday.
Happy birthday po!
Happy birthday, Po.
Hi, Mari kong Tin! Happy birthday! Ayan. Sana lahat ng mga nasa puso mo, nasa isip mo, sana to pa rin yan lahat ni Lord. Kaya tandaan mo lagi nandyan si Lord, okay?
Yes!
Enjoy and have fun!
Happy birthday, Tin. Sana ma-achieve mo yung goal mo sa buhay mo at saka sa family mo. Mag-ingat ka dyan.
Happy birthday, Tin! Good luck!
Happy birthday, Tin! I wish you all the best. Sana yumaman ka ng gusto niyo. may trabaho, at maging maayos kayo dyan. Yun lang.
And I think happy birthday. Kumusta ka na? I miss you. Miss na kita. I love you. Happy birthday. So much.
Hi girl, happy birthday! Dalhin mo na ako sa snow. And sana yumaman na tayo. I love you!
Hi, Te. Happy birthday. Ingat ka lagi. Enjoy your day. Love you. Hello, ate. Kamusta ka na dyan sa ibang bansa? Happy birthday. Ingat ka dyan palagi. Thank you. I love you.
Hi, Mami! Mami po, miss na kita po. Ibigyan kita ng madaming damit. Diba po? Tsaka t-shirt. I love you forever today. Gusto ka na katamahan kasi po eh. Diba po? Dati, love mo ako po. Dati pa yun po eh. Dati malikot po ako. Ayun po oh. Dati po, tinatalian mo po ako po. Ayun po oh. Dati po, sayaw-sayaw tayo po. Ayun po oh. I love you forever today. Dati swimming pa tayo. Dati nag-slide tayo po. Tsaka doyang tayo po. Tsaka swing ako mag-isa po. Baby pa ako po. Diba po, birthday ko pa dati yun po. Diba po? Mami po, pag andyan na ako po, bibigyan kita ng maraming lollipop po. Lollipop yun. Mami, pag andyan na ako po, gusto mo po mag-inasal, bibigyan kita po. Kaya or McDo or Jollibee, kung anong gusto mo po. I love you. Happy birthday, Mommy! I love you, Mommy, forever! Mami, pag andyan na ako, bibigyan kita ng balon na heart po. At tayo po. At kiss tayo po. Bye-bye.
Hello, Mami. Alam mo, Mami, love na love kita. Happy birthday, Mami. Dati kumakain tayo sa mga inasal eh. Favorite mo yung mga inasal, bibigyan pa na ito ng iPhone. 100,000 din pera. Ito, Mami, kinakagat mo pa ako. Ito po, noon pa ako. Nasakit pero love pa din kita. Kaya matkat tayo sa taas, inaalagaan mo ako, pinaanak ako na sumisigaw ko eh. Natulungan mo pa ako mag-swimming, tapos nililibre mo kami sa mga playground, kay time zone. Doon tayo sa Luneta, kahit anong pasal natin, magpe-playground tayo, tapos hinahag kita noon po. Love you po, Mami. Alam ko may bibigay ako sa iyo. Alam ko tatawagin nita, birthday mo. Gusto mo pagka matanda ka na eh. Gusto mo iPhone kasi po eh. Masasaya ka noon. Gusto mo po, tapos gagawa ko ng bahay mo. Tapos may picture ka pa. Tapos magkatabi tayo matulog. Tapos binipicturan mo pa ako. I love you, I miss you. Lahat pupuntahan natin. Sana makapunta na kami ni Mami. Gusto mo na excited ka na pumunta ako dyan para mag-present sa'yo. Bye-bye!
Yan.
Wow, ang galing naman kumanta ng loves ko. Kaya loves na loves ko yan eh. Sana na-surprise ka namin lahat sa ginawa naming birthday greeting sa'yo. Hope you're doing well dyan sa Finland. Siguro may plan pa si Lord na ayusin natin ang lahat ng mga problema dito sa Pilipinas. At sabi nga ni Ana, in perfect timing, makakapunta rin kami dyan. Soon, malapit na yun. Siguro, trust lang si Lord. Magdasal lang tayo palagi. Yung dalawa, tinuturuan ko palagi magdasal. Yan, kung napatatagal lahat, nandito naman, palagi naman tayo nag-uusap. Gusto ko lang i-post yung mga pagbubundok natin. Kasi sabi mo sa akin noon na napakasaya mo nung nagbubundok nung mga pictures na nagbubundok tayo. Kaya ayan, binabalikan natin lahat. Ayun lang. Wishing you a fantastic day filled with laughter. Hope your special day is as wonderful as you are. May this year bring you endless happiness and success. I love you. I miss you so much. Wait mo lang kami ha. Bye.
Party.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Okay, thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mami.
Okay, so. Yay! Happy birthday, Mami. Happy birthday, Mami.
Ano wish mo?
Tapos na.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Tingnan mo. Okay. Anong mo? Bert. Dali na ka na. Ay, naku, mulit pa ko. Dali, ikaw. Lakasan niyo pa siya.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Dali, ikaw. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. May all your wishes come true. Happy, 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 happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. May all your wishes come true. Happy, 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 happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Mami.
Tawa na lang.